Okay, welcome back everybody. So I'm getting emails and comments and stuff like that. People are wanting to know where the dehydrating video is. So how to dehydrate tomato skins. Super easy. So normally, like I said, I usually can a couple 100 pounds of Roma tomatoes at a time. So I don't usually dehydrate the skins the same day. I wait until all of the tomatoes are processed and then I do it. So I only did 15 pounds today, and I've got all the tomato skins along with a little piece of basil in there that fell off my plant on dryer sheets ready to go into my dehydrator. So my dehydrator has these metal racks. I have an Excalibur. I love the metal racks, and it's best for dehydrating tomatoes or anything really. But these Teflon sheets that I have are porous, and the air will circulate through them as well as around, so everything dries evenly, and they're really good. The only thing I have problem with is that when you use them to dehydrate tomatoes, the tomatoes stains. So no matter how good you wash these, you're not going to get those stains out. I mean, it doesn't look like tomato stains. You can see like right there, it's stained. And so these are my tomato mats that I use. So, and I just use them over and over. They're washable, they're Teflon, they're non-stick, so everything peels right off. Really good product. And again, these are for the Excalibur, but I believe that they make them for other dehydrators as well. And Excalibur makes their own too, and I've never tried them. I've always used these for my Ronco. I think I have Ronco dehydrators. I've always used these kind, so I prefer these. I like these. I know they work, so I'm not going to change. So, oh, and you can also do fruit spreads on these too, like fruit roll-ups and stuff. So this is all you do is you lay them out like this, and you put it in your dehydrator. If you have a temperature, you want it to about 120, 125 degrees, no more than that, because these dehydrate really quickly. You don't want to cook them, you just want to dry them. If you don't have time the day that you can tomatoes, you can put them in a bowl in the refrigerator. I'm not going to say that they stay more than 2 days. I've never put them in the refrigerator more than that. Being tomatoes, I would guess that no, you would start to get bacteria and things on them, so I wouldn't want to use them after a couple days. You can also freeze them. I've never done that. I know you can freeze tomatoes, you can freeze the skins and wait to dehydrate them. I don't know how easy that's going to be to defrost or what it will look like. It should be the same. I don't see any reason that it wouldn't be. If somebody tries that or has tried that, let me know. That's something that I haven't tried. I do pounds and pounds and pounds of this stuff at a time. So this by itself, it doesn't even look that much, but this is not going to make that much powder, but it'll fill maybe a little 4-ounce jar, maybe halfway. So probably 2 ounces. So if you do small batches at a time, you can freeze them and wait until you have a bigger batch to dehydrate, or you can just dehydrate what you have, make it easy on yourself, put it in a jar, and just add to it as you go. You can dry basil and garlic with this and then grind it all together, and you'll have a nice seasoning blend as well. It's really simple, and I use my Blendtec blender right here. You can also use a coffee grinder. You can hand smash them, oh my goodness, I have on my headache's back, so I can't think. What am I thinking of? Oh, I can't even find mine. Okay, somebody will think of it. The little bowl with the hand stone. What is that called? You can hand smash these. Oh, it's just escaping me. Sorry, you guys. Anyway, this is all I do. So super easy, and I will bring you guys back in tomorrow when they're done, because these will be done overnight. Let me know if you want to try it, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.